So I had a question about how to deal with the pain coming from infinite sadness, and I hope you're doing well. It was, how do you deal with the pain? Because you know the pain is strong, and then it's might be a bit lower, and then it's stronger again. And basically, for me, there's something extremely comforting in knowing that the pain has a cycle, and it's a very well-known cycle. I mean, when you know yourself, you know how you go through that cycle and where you are. And when you can recognize where you are in the cycle, for me, it's comforting because it's not new. There's no surprise. There's no, oh my goodness. It's just, oh, right now I'm feeling like crying, or I'm feeling like I don't want to get out of bed, or I don't feel like doing this, or I don't feel like being social, but it's something I've been through already. So for me, it's actually a very good sign to see that everything is known. Like, I know my pain, I know my cycles, and while moving in that cycle, there's something extremely comforting. And pain needs love. You need to have a lot of love for yourself, for the other person, for whoever. You may not have gratitude, and that's okay, because in the first part of pain, it hurts. So what are you going to say? Oh yeah, it hurts, but I'm thankful that I can feel my pain. No, it hurts. So you take care of yourself with a lot of love. Your little heart. Remember, your little heart. So pain has a cycle. Follow the cycle and you'll be fine. Ciao.